What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Peach, and today I'm heading to Steaming Pots, West African cuisine, so that I could go ahead and try out Egusi Soup. And I'm also going to try out Efo Riro. To my understanding, these are two very popular Nigerian delicacies, and I am dying to taste them. I did already get an opportunity to taste okra soup, and that was fantastic. So I'm looking forward to seeing what these other two are like. I pray that they're just as fantastic, but even if I don't think they are, I'll be sure to let you know. So stay tuned with me, enjoy the drive, all right, and we'll get there. All right, y'all, so I just picked up my food and I ended up getting a puff puff, so I'm gonna try that before I get home. It smells kind of sweet. Okay. Mmm. Okay. I'm getting uh almost like banana bread fried dumpling situation going on. I'm still eating it though, so obviously it's good. But excuse me, I should not be talking about food in my mouth. It's not fresh, it's a little greasy. I feel like if I got this fresh, I would love it. But I'm gonna give it like a clean 7 out of 10. It's not bad. Okay, so I wanted to get more into the texture. It's soft, like bread. I feel like I taste cinnamon and nutmeg. I could be completely wrong. It tastes a little sweet. It tastes like it should have been a pastry. I don't know if this is like a savory food, but it's decent. Lord have mercy on my soul. I don't know why, but Egusi is okay, but it's not like the Efo Riro. God, dog. This is so good.